Have you ever wondered why some blogs appear on the first page of Google while others get buried on page 10, even if the content is good? Today, I'm breaking down how to write blog posts that not only rank higher, but actually convert readers into loyal customers. Whether you're a freelancer, a marketer, or a small business owner, this guide will completely change the way you write content in 2025. Let's start with the golden rule. SEO and storytelling must go hand in hand. Google's algorithm has evolved. It no longer rewards keyword stuffing or robotic writing. Instead, it favors relevance, value, and user experience. So, when writing your blog, think of your audience first. What problem are they facing? What keywords are they searching? Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or Ubersuggest to find long-tail keywords that have search intent, meaning people are actively looking for solutions, not just information. Once you've got your topic and keywords, let's talk about the structure, because a well-structured blog keeps readers engaged. Start with a hook that immediately captures attention, maybe a bold statement, a surprising stat, or a relatable question. Then, outline your post using H2 and H3 subheadings to guide the reader smoothly through your content. Your intro should clearly explain what the reader will gain by staying till the end. That's how you boost dwell time, one of Google's ranking factors. Next comes content depth and readability. Don't just scratch the surface, go deeper. Provide examples, explain how, not just what, and include actionable insights your reader can apply immediately. Use short sentences, bullet points, and visuals to make your post easy to digest. Online readers skim, they don't read line by line, so your job is to make key points stand out at a glance. Now, here's something most people forget: conversion optimization. Ranking alone won't grow your business if readers leave without taking action. That's why every blog post should have a clear call to action CTA, whether it's to subscribe, download a guide, join your newsletter, or purchase your product. Use CTAs naturally throughout your post, especially after delivering value, because people are more likely to click when they've already gained trust from your content. Let's not forget internal and external linking. Internal links help Google understand your website structure, while external links to credible sources boost your authority. Just make sure the links open in new tabs so your visitors don't leave your site completely. Also, don't underestimate the power of meta titles and descriptions. Write them like mini ads that are compelling enough to make users click your post among 10 others on the same topic. Visuals are just as important. Images, infographics, and short videos can drastically improve engagement. Optimize them by compressing image sizes, adding alt text, and ensuring they align with your keywords, because in 2025, visual content optimization is a must for SEO success. Another secret is updating old blog posts. Google loves fresh content. Revisit older articles every few months, refresh the data, update keywords, and add new internal links. This not only boosts rankings, but also saves time compared to creating brand new posts from scratch. And here's a bonus pro tip: make your blogs voice search friendly. With AI assistants like Siri and Alexa becoming more common, people are now searching in full sentences or questions. So include conversational keywords like how to, best way to, or why does this small tweak can land you in voice search results and featured